Detect is a Python-based project that deals with detection. We have made this project keeping in mind three very specific applications, the details of which can be found in the attached PowerPoint presentation. This video specifically deals with the operation of our program, how to run it, and what are the requirements to run it. I'll also show the output that we get after running this program. We have used three external libraries for this project, namely Bokeh, Pandas, and OpenCV. So before running this project, it's very important to install these three libraries in your system. The instructions for installation have been mentioned in the documentation. Please refer to it. We have two files that we are going to execute. The first one will be plotting.py. So this is my terminal window. This file is concerned with the detection of movements and detection of faces. So let's see how it works. Here you can see the webcam camera has been switched on and the blue box here detects my face. If there are multiple people, there will be multiple such blue boxes, each box representing a face. Now it's time to detect movements. So let's see. The green boxes, as you can see, I'm moving my hand and the green boxes are appearing in the frame. These green boxes are the signs of movement detection. Now to exit this stage and look at the plot, the motion monitoring plot, I will press the Q button on the keyboard. So after pressing the Q button, this is where it brings me in the browser window. This is the bokeh plot, the motion monitoring graph. Here on the x-axis is the time, and these bars represent the interval during which there was motion in front of the camera. Hovering over each bar, you can see the start time, the start date and time, and the end date and time, the beginning and the end time of each set of movement that I executed in front of the camera. Yes. And the width of the bar is an indication of the interval, the time interval for which the movement lasted. So this concludes the first part of our project. Moving on to the next part where we will detect cars moving on the road. We used our webcam camera for this part of the project, but for the next part, we have used an MP4 file, a video file of cars moving on the street. Obviously, the reasons are because we can't detect cars in our own house. So let's move on. Let's see the next part of our project. Here we have terminal window. And the next file that we are going to execute is car detector.py. It's a Python file. There you go. This is a video of cars approaching, and you can see red markers over certain vehicles as they are approaching and as they are moving away as well. One drawback of this particular system, this project, is that if the cars are moving at a very great speed and there are many cars on the road, this system will not be able to detect each and every one of the cars. So as you can see, there are red markers appearing on the screen on some of the vehicles, but Not all cars are detected. There's a possibility that some cars might go undetected. So there's still scope for improvement here. All right. To exit this, we will press escape key. So that is a summary of our project, the Detect. For more details, please view the PowerPoint presentation that has been attached here. Thank you.